Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then a little introduction. This is a place to share stories, adventures, and everything I wish I had known before embarking on them. My name is Drina, and you're watching From Fiji to Here. If you're new to cruising, I'm hoping this video will give you some insight as to what is offered through choosing a cruise for your vacation. Now, there are many different cruise line options, but for this one, we're going to explore Princess Cruise Lines on their ship, the Crown Princess.
Who's ocean ready? Who's ocean ready?
I am!
They have no excitement. They're not ready.
A couple of reasons a cruise might be the right option for you is if you're looking to get a taste of multiple destinations in a short amount of time. The benefits of a cruise with this is that your accommodation is your transportation. You're not losing time getting to and from airports and packing and unpacking between each stop. You have the comforts of knowing where you'll be eating and sleeping at night without having to choose one location. Our cruise on the Crown Princess offered quite a few amenities, starting with the ship itself. We have the beautiful grand entrance where you can find evening performers playing piano, violin, the steel drums, and more as we reboard the ship and prepare for the evening ahead. In this area, which we call the Piazza, it's also where you'll find both shops with souvenirs as well as necessities such as medications, sunscreens, etc. This is somewhat the central hub. You'll also find guest services and the excursion counter here as well. The Crown Princess has a total of 16 full-size decks, with 2 additional smaller decks making a total of 18. We'll explore some of them as we head out to the pools, but first, the art gallery. With auctions a couple of times throughout the duration of your cruise, you can have the opportunity to purchase the pieces or just admire them as you stroll through the gallery on your way to dinner. As we head out to the pools, there's also a fully equipped gym for use during your trip, and classes are even offered should you prefer something a little more structured. Right beside the gymnasium is a salon and spa offering all types of services for every age. The pools, oh, how many there are. The Crown Princess has a total of 4 pools, all surrounded by lounge chairs and towels, as well as some hot tubs.
So, we were trying to find a place on the boat that we knew about.
That we still can't find.
We can't find it.
No.
But we discovered an entirely new place that I think is cooler than where we were headed to.
Yeah.
I'll show you in the next clip.
Moving on to activities offered through Princess, we'll start with options for sprucing up your days at sea, especially if the weather isn't cooperating to be outdoors. There are a variety of classes offered throughout the ship at different times and dates, which can all be found in your daily itinerary. This time around, I opted for taking a lesson in steel drum playing. However, if you're looking for less of a learning experience and just more laughs and fun, the entertainment on the ship is always available somewhere, be it on the pool deck with water sports, or in the clubs and bars during the daytime for comic relief and fun interactive games such as bingo and trivia. One of the newer features on this ship that I absolutely love is if you've left your paper itinerary in your room, it's not a problem on this ship since they have the Ocean Cruise app, which is available for download for free on your phone, but it's also displayed on screens throughout the ship. The app makes it easy to order drinks or food right to your lounge chair by the pool or find your friends in a busy buffet area. It'll also show you the daily itinerary and what's coming up next and where you can find it. Princess Cruises are known for their formal nights and take pride in everyone getting dressed up for the occasion and heading to the dining hall. They have photographers available for portraits and can even accommodate for celebrations such as birthdays, anniversaries, etc.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kimberly. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. This looks delicious. What is it?
Cake.
Cake. Okay, well, I don't know.
If post-dinner you feel like your night is just beginning, you can make your way up to the 18th deck where this ship has a club open until late for dance parties and socializing with other cruisers. And for the more calming nights, head out to the pool deck where you'll be provided with a blanket and popcorn for the famous movies under the stars. Even prior to COVID-19, cruise ships were on the ball about their sanitation practices. With so many passengers, any type of virus could travel quickly when you're confined to the same spaces. This is why they have protocols put in place such as advising you to use your own washroom in your room whenever possible, and when not possible, the public washrooms are equipped with best sanitation practices. There is hand sanitizer provided all throughout the cruise ship, and when we were there, the buffet was not self-serve, but rather served to you by employees. Finally, at the end of each day, all of the lounge chairs out by the pools were sanitized with disinfectant. Now, I did mention the buffet, but don't be fooled that that's the only fantastic dining option on the Crown Princess. Beginning with the 2 formal dining halls for sit-down dinners, the menu varies from night to night with some Princess favorites remaining daily. If you've stayed on the island past the dining room hours, then the buffet is a great option to grab a late dinner or an early breakfast. For the days that you're lounging around poolside, you can be sure to find delicious quick grab foods such as pizza, burgers, fries, and ice cream, all at the poolside grills. The final included dinner option is the International Cafe, open 24/7 for those late night snacks or early cappuccinos. Oh, wait, I also forgot to mention the room service, which is free of charge, available from the app, and can make those early morning disembarkments a little bit easier. With any type of accommodation, there's a variety of room options available. Also, we'll be going over the interior standard room since that's the one that we had for this cruise. All right, guys, this is our lovely closet. Some little shoes there. We haven't unpacked yet. As you can probably tell by all of this. But this is our closet. We have some safety vests so that we don't go down like the Titanic. Our safe. Some lovely cabinets. Full-length mirror. And then it opens up to our room. And Emma.
Slowly lower the bed.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Oh, I'm supposed to say something.
Wait. I guess now I have to mute it.
That's locked. And there's a ladder.
That's my bed for the night, guys. And here is our lovely bathroom. Dun, 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 dun. We've got a little clothesline up in the shower. Shampoo and conditioner bottles.
That's what I mean. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry.
Towels. Toilet paper. This little garbage can is like in the shelf, which is really cool. Same with the Kleenex. Our sink. Cabinets and an outlet. Me again. I hope this helped you figure out whether a cruise vacation is something that would benefit your vacation time. But before we go, I have a sweet treat of some of the magical moments from our trip. Emma, look less nervous. Come here, Emma. Good, Emma. Look at her walking. Peter, she's doing it. It's the first time. Guys, it's so windy up here. You know, it kind of looks like I go on forever.
Looks like you're naked.
Beautiful Emma's makeup is. She's in emeralds. Set, go.
All the way to the end.
She's gonna throw up. She's gonna throw up, guys.
Like a bed.
We should take a video.
I'm dying.
Well, hey guys. Little update for you. So
Fucking utensils.
There's so many fucking utensils.
a little update for you. We are on day 2?
Yeah.
The second full day on the cruise ship. And it's not always sunshine and rainbows. For example, today we have 45 miles per hour winds and 10 to 11 foot swells and I don't know, the occasional rain shower. So a lot of the pools are closed. They're not really doing any outdoor activities. And the boat is rocking. And rolling. Well, hopefully not rolling.
If it is, we don't know.
But we're taking just kind of a chill day, and I just feel like this is the reality that you don't always see. You can't control the weather, but you do make the most of it. Just like that, guys.
This is it.
It's over.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Here we go.
Film it?
Yeah, well,
Wow.
guys, we haven't filmed in a while.
No.
A lot has changed.
This is it.
This is it.
On to the next adventure.
Gotta try to get home.
2 weeks in quarantine. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, as well as any videos you'd be interested in seeing. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified of more like it, as well as to join me on my future journeys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next destination. Bye, guys.